Anapanasati, mastering mindfulness of breath. Namaste and welcome to Empower Talk. Today we embark on a deep dive into one of the most fundamental and powerful meditation techniques taught by the Buddha, Anapanasati, or mindfulness of breath. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned practitioner, Anapanasati offers a path to profound calm, clarity, and insight. In this video, we'll explore the theory behind this practice, learn practical tips for cultivating mindfulness of breath, and experience guided meditations to help you integrate this technique into your daily life. What you'll learn in this video. What is Anapanasati? Why the breath? Basic and deepened practice. Integrating mindfulness into daily life. Understanding Anapanasati, the foundation. So, what exactly is Anapanasati? It's more than just breathing. It's the mindful awareness of the breath as it enters and leaves the body. The Buddha himself emphasized this practice extensively as a direct route to enlightenment. Anapanasati, mindfulness of breath. Why the breath? Because it's always with us. It's a neutral anchor to the present moment, a bridge between our inner and outer worlds. To begin, let's establish a comfortable posture. You can sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down. Find a space where you can relax and minimize distractions. Set your intention for this practice. What do you hope to gain from this session? Basic practice. Finding your anchor. Now, bring your attention to the breath. You can focus on the sensation at your nostrils, the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen, or the overall feeling of the breath moving through your body. There's no need to control your breath. Simply observe its natural rhythm. Guided Meditation Segment 1. Close your eyes gently. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils. Notice the subtle pause, and then the air as it leaves. Just observe. If your mind wanders, and it will, gently guide it back to the sensation of your breath. In, out. Let go of any tension. Simply be with your breath. Continue for 7 to 10 minutes. deepening the practice, calming body and mind. As you become more familiar with the basic practice, you can deepen your awareness. Feel the entire cycle of the breath, from the beginning to the end. With each out-breath, consciously relax any tension you find in your body. Guided Meditation Segment 2. Now feel the full expansion of your lungs as you inhale, and the gentle release as you exhale. With each out-breath, let go of any tightness in your shoulders, your jaw, your belly. Allow your body to soften. Let your breath calm you. Let your breath calm your body. Continue for 10 to 12 minutes. Working with the mind, observing and releasing. Mindfulness of breath isn't just about the breath. It's also about how we relate to our thoughts and emotions. As you meditate, you'll notice thoughts arising. Simply observe them, like clouds passing in the sky, without judgment or getting carried away. When you notice your mind has wandered, gently return your attention to the breath. Guided Meditation, Segment 3. Now, while maintaining awareness of your breath, notice any thoughts or feelings that arise. Observe them. Don't try to change them. Just acknowledge them. And then, gently, bring your focus back to the breath. In, out. Continue for 5 to 7 minutes. Integrating Anapanasati into daily life. The true power of Anapanasati lies in integrating it into your daily life. You can practice mindful breathing while walking, eating, listening to someone, or even waiting in line. Take a few conscious breaths throughout your day to reconnect with the present moment. Mindful moments. Walking, eating, listening, waiting. The long-term benefits of consistent Anapanasati practice are profound. Reduced stress, improved focus, greater emotional regulation and a deeper sense of inner peace and wisdom. Anapanasati is a simple yet incredibly powerful practice. I encourage you to make it a part of your daily routine. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing can make a significant difference. Thank you for joining me on Empower Talk. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. And let me know in the comments about your experiences with Anapanasati. Stay tuned for more explorations of Buddha's teachings.